If you're making over $100,000 a year, but don't yet have a $100,000 net worth, you don't have a money problem, you have a money systems problem. Every month, the same thing happens. You're going through the motions of life. Maybe you're going to work, you're spending time with family. Then at the end of the month, you realize that you didn't put extra money towards your financial goals again. And this cycle keeps happening over and over and over again. And you are sick and tired of it and you're ready for a solution. And that's where this personal finance operating system comes into play. It's your step-by-step path that's going to show you how to build control and momentum in your personal finances using the income that you already have without needing to change much else in your life. And the reason why I can say that so confidently is because of these people here who went through the exact same process of finding extra money in their finances every month. Maybe they've just feeling more confident or feeling more organized. But really, at the end of the day, they've just simplified all of their money decisions, and sometimes in just a few short weeks after implementing. And I've made this system available to anyone inside of my free personal finance community. It's called Dollar Discipline University. So anyone who wants to build real momentum with their money can start today. You deserve the opportunity to improve your financial literacy and get the most out of your life. So click the link below and I will see you in there.